no vertices or sides. This is a square. It has 4 sides with similar length. This is a rectangle. It has 4 sides, different length. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides. Now that you know the shapes already, I want to test you. Are you ready? What shape is this? It has 4 sides that has similar length. This is a square. This shape has no sides. Do you know this shape? You are right. It is a circle. Do you know this shape? Yes, it is a rectangle. Yet, lastly, this shape has 3 sides. What is this shape? Congratulations! All of you answered correctly. This is a triangle. Let us recall all of our shapes that we learned today. Square, square, circle, circle, rectangle, rectangle, triangle. Now that you know most of the shapes, I hope that you learn and remember the characteristics of the shapes and know to differentiate the shapes.